Hornwort. Let's get into the ultimate hornwort care and maintenance guide. Welcome back to DPC Aquatics, the channel where we dive deep into the world of aquatic plants and fish care. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more guides, tips, and all things aquarium. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a popular freshwater plant known for its resilience and ease of care, hornwort. Hornwort is a favorite among both beginner and experienced aquarists for a number of reasons. Its rapid growth, ability to adapt to various water conditions, and benefits to aquarium inhabitants make it a must-have in many tanks. But how do you ensure it thrives in your aquarium? Well, let's break it down. First, let's talk environment. Hornwort can grow in a wide range of temperatures from 59 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for most freshwater tanks. It doesn't require substrate as it's floating plant, but it can also be anchored down in gravel if you prefer the rooted look. Lighting is crucial for hornwort's growth. It prefers moderate to high lighting conditions. If your tank is low on light, you might notice slower growth or even shedding. However, don't fret. This plant is known for bouncing back quickly. Now on to maintenance. One of the charms of hornwort is its minimal care requirements. However, due to its fast growth, regular trimming is necessary to prevent it from taking over your tank. Trimming also requires thicker growth, making your hornwort look lush and full. When it comes to water parameters, hornwort is not picky, but it thrives in a pH of 6.0 to 7.5 and moderate hardness. It's a great plant for absorbing excess nutrients, including nitrates, which helps in reducing algae and keeping your water clean. The benefits of having hornwort in your aquarium can go beyond just aesthetics. It provides excellent cover and spawning ground for fish, especially fry, and its needle-like leaves are a deterrent for fish who like to nibble on plants. One thing to keep in mind is that hornwort sheds its needles when stressed, which could be due to sudden changes in water conditions or inadequate lighting. Regularly check and adjust your tank conditions to keep your hornwort happy. With proper care and maintenance, hornwort can be a beautiful and beneficial addition to your aquarium. Its easy care and makes it perfect for both new and seasoned aquarists looking to add a touch of green to their aquatic world. Hey, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Have any tips or questions about hornwort or other aquatic plants? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep those tanks thriving and happy aquascaping.